Hello, my friend. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. So, right now I'm in my kitchen. Okay. So, right now today it's my turn to make dinner. So, I'm going to make dinner for four-person: myself, my mom, dad, and my grandmother. So, now, first, first, I have to put lentil in the pressure cooker and boil it. So, here it is. So, I have taken out the pulse lentil. Now I have taken a ball. So I will measure. I will make them like small amount. So I will mix. Actually, I will make mix lentil. So one is green lentil. That is yellow. That one is white. Okay. So I'm going to boil that one bowl of lentil. Okay. Now I'm going to put it into the pot. And now it's time to rinse it properly. So now I have rinsed it properly. So it's time to put. You can see keep all these uh, jar lentil jar. You can see lentil jar into its place. So I'm right here. So I was thinking I can also actually mix that things that is we call buddy. So I can also mix this in small amount here. So now I am going to take down the pressure cooker. So I have put that pressure cooker on the electrical stove. Now it's time to put lentil into the pressure cooker. Okay, and also I'm going to rinse that buddy also. So put all these buddy soya buddy. I don't know what we call it buddy in English. Now, so right now I'm going to actually heat water into this pan. This is water heat kettle. Okay, so I'm going to heat that water. After that, warm water. I will put warm water into the pressure cooker. Okay, so that's actually easy method. That lentil actually will be boiled within like 10-20 minutes. Okay, so I have turned on the electrical soap. Now it's time to fix the range. So I have fixed 12,000 range of heating range. Now, so that water, kettle water, it has warmed up. Now we need to put it into the so so now so this is called spice dispenser. Okay, here all the spice are kept. Okay, so now you can see me here. I'm going to put salt one and turmeric and little bit fenugreek seed. So just put. Now my mom is coming, so I can't shoot right now. So the lentil has boiled. Now I'm going to fry it with the, we can say tadka. So I'm going to fry it with onion, garlic, and some other spices. So turn, turn on the gas. I have put pan on the gas flame and put, that is oil. Put oil on the pan, into the pan. So I have taken out the gas in the pressure cooker. Okay, open it, and that is the level. So yes, lentil has been boiled. That is passive. Spice dispenser. So I have to wait. I have to wait to heat that oil. So I have to wait until the oil actually. So I have this. I have ginger, small piece of ginger. So I'm going to put it into the oil. Actually, that pan bottom is not plain. It's a little bit curved. It has turned in curve, so that's why actually it's not staying on the gas. Okay, so now put coriander. That is coriander. That is red. And this is green chili. Okay. I'm actually stirring it. It will not burn. Now, let's. So I have made dinner. Everything actually. I also have made chapati. Now it's complete.